All right, so our solar system, welcome back, everybody. Our solar system is almost through the whole process. So not only do we have to have electrical and construction uh, permits pulled and that satisfied by the township, we also had to have PSE&G out to inspect, right?
Yeah.
And then they still didn't upgrade our meter, and I hope that they don't because the other meter I call the rip-off meter, the analog meter, I say you can't rip me off. So far that's all been great and working as far as I know. And then we've been tortured by the gas company that they want to put a new meter in. They want to put a new meter in, new meter. Finally, they come today and put the new meter in. April's all excited. We got a new meter. The meter guy was here. Blah 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 blah. I come home. I said, "Well, show me what."
Did you call me Rachel?
April.
Oh.
So I said, "Show me what the guys did." So I go around the corner of my house. I smell gas. I'm like, "That's not right." So I get a little closer and kneel down. Yep, it's leaking gas. And then there's two old washers that the installer left on the ground. Thank you, dude. I'm going to come to your house and take a crap on your doorstep and walk away. I mean, that's what you did. Like, you left your trash on the trash that you're supposed to take with you off my property. So, anyway, so I kneel down. I smell. I'm like, it's leaking, right? Can anyone really get their shit together and do anything right? Especially the gas company. Like, how long ago? I came home at 5:30, and April said they did the job around 2:30. So I make her kneel down and smell the meter, and she's like, "Yep, it's leaking." So we come inside, we call it, blah 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 blah. Within 30 minutes, somebody's out here checking the other guy's work. Shows April with his little, the way they check for gas leaks that it's leaking, and it wasn't actually the O-rings. It was actually the meter. The new meter itself was leaking somewhere from its brand new assembly. So how about that? If you're having a new meter installed at your house, depending on the installer, he may or may not be quality checking his work. And maybe he feel that he didn't, but he should have. So when the other installer showed up, I said, "This is the type of shit that levels blocks." And he says to me, the gas leak that you had is almost like a fart. I said, I don't care. There's no gas leaks. I didn't have a gas leak before you worked on my meter, and now I have a gas leak. He's like, it wasn't really from the installation, it was from the product. So a brand new product, defect, believe that or not. It wasn't registering through the gauge where it measures how much fuel, because natural gas is a fuel, it was using, because it wasn't making it through the device to that section. So it was bleeding gas somewhere in that assembly before it was to the meter part. How about that? So thank God I did check it, because who knows how bad it was leaking. I didn't really get down there and soapy water it, but I definitely know natural gas meter leaking 5 feet from my brand new air conditioner that I'm sure has some sparks next to my freshly installed solar system.
Well, I had a gas leak, so I was 20 minutes behind.
And everything. So that was today. I look for those days when I don't have any adversity. It's crazy, right?